What's going on? Judd here, and I am just cruising in the car here, and I had to drop some information with you that I think is really, really important. So during these times, you may be aware, but we've had paint shortages this year, we've had component shortages this year, and 2021 has been a pretty interesting time trying to make sure that we have the supplies we need to go out and make money. Well, the traffic paint world, you can literally not get paint anywhere right now. And we are, September 2021, ending up the season, and we're expecting that we're going to have paint shortages right through into 2022 and into the middle of the summer or so, but we're all really unsure about that paint world. Does that mean that we should all stop what we're doing and focus in on, why we can't do it because of paint shortages or whatever it is? Or should we be focusing in on things that we actually can do? I'll tell you a story. I recently was on the phone with one of my good buddies, Mark McLeod, and he's been in the industry for 50 years. The guy's an absolutely awesome individual, and I really look up to the guy. And what he said was, Judd, everything is going to be just fine. It will take some time, but everything will be fine. But in the meantime, we should be marketing the hell out of our services that we actually can supply. So if, let's say, you have the ability to go out and do crack sealing, and you have the ability to do seal coating and patching and infrared repair, well, you should get out and market the hell out of the services that you actually can be supplied with from a supply perspective to fulfill those service opportunities for you and your business with clients that need that stuff serviced, right? So what I would say is, maybe during these times where somebody might need a line striping job done, well, you could always get the crack sealing and seal coating done for sure, and then have them scheduled in for 2022 for line striping. But don't let that line striping, shortage on supplies hinder your ability to be able to convert more deals. Make sure that you're speaking to your clients about what truly is going on in the industry regarding shortages. Make sure that you're focusing in on the areas that you can truly win with. It's very easy to get bogged down and blinded by the fog around stuff that you cannot do. Focus on the things that you can do and that you can go out and make hay with today. Hopefully that can help inspire you a little bit and push you towards closing more deals around things you can do. And don't worry, things will all come back to norm eventually, I'm sure, or a new norm, whatever it is. But always keep that chin up, powering forward. And remember, pay this kind of message forward to your peers too. People are looking for guidance, they're looking for inspiration, and they're looking for that, that push in the back to move forward. When things are tough, sometimes we get into a fetal position, we kind of freeze, and that's something that's normal, but don't do it for too long. Break up, break out of it, and push forward successfully. Crack sealing, seal coating, infrared. I'm telling you, infrared, by the way, is a really hot thing. Let me just add this in. The RY2X2 at Asphalt Kingdom and at our Canadian division, actionseal.com. Our RY2X2 is a huge hit. You can do infrared repairs, you can do bird bath repairs on parking lots that are newly paved, you can do drainage repairs, you can do seam welding, you can do all kinds of stuff. Definitely click that link below in the description. That links you through to the RY2X2, and we also have other videos, the RY2X2 videos, on the product page as well. But I'm telling you, that's a moneymaker. $95 a press you can make. It only takes you 7 minutes, and you can use some asphalt millings with some rejuvenator. I mean, literally, you'll profit about $70, $75 per press that you do. You can do 3 of those in a day easily, 4 of those in a day, and those are just added value for you. So why not go out and make some extra hay? Hope this helps. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Click that ringy bell notification too, so that you definitely are notified every time we push out content. For now, have a successful balance of your season. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.